In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview on Webflow. If you're new to Webflow or simply looking to streamline your workflow, previewing your site efficiently is crucial. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring that you can confidently check your designs before they go live. The first step is to log into your Webflow account. Make sure that you have all your credentials ready. If you're using a shared or public computer, remember to log out when you're done for security reasons. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your projects, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with this area. Next, locate the project you wish to work on. In your dashboard, you should see a list of websites you have created or have access to. Find the one you want to preview and open it by clicking on its name. Now, you're in the Webflow Designer. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the place where you build and tweak your web designs. In the Designer, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll see the Preview button, represented by a play icon. It's hard to miss once you know where to look. This button is your gateway to seeing how your project will look when live, without all the distracting editing tools and panels around it. To enter preview mode, click on the Preview button. Immediately, you should notice the editing interface collapse away, leaving you with a full-screen view of your project as it would appear on the web. Take this time to navigate through your site, checking things like responsiveness, navigation, and overall design to ensure everything looks and works as expected. When you're satisfied with your review or need to dive back into editing, returning to the editor is just as straightforward. Simply click the same Preview button again to exit preview mode. This will bring back all your editing tools and panels. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also exit preview mode by pressing Command plus Shift plus P. It's a handy shortcut to know, especially if you're one to switch between modes frequently. And there you have it. Previewing your Webflow project is a simple yet powerful step to ensure your work is on the right track. Don't underestimate the impact of catching small details during this phase, as they can make all the difference in your website's final output. Thanks for tuning in to learn about previewing in Webflow, and happy designing.